This tutorial will take us through the merge channels function in FIJI. Here I've got my image, which I've split into 3 separate channels. I'm going to go to Images, Color, Merge Channels, and this gives us the possibility to set up a merge image of 7 separate channels. Select the correct channel for the correct color, tick Create Composite. You can keep your source images if you want to. If you click OK, this will now merge your images together. These are 8-bit images which we need to save as an RGB file to use in other software packages. Image type RGB, and then we can finally save that image, save as TIFF.